Hello there guys, what is going on? Welcome to Pure Trading. Wow, it was a massive week. Well, not even, it was a bad week. I mean, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all completely flat. And then Thursday, the whole inflation thing. Look, we were expecting some volatility on that day. So, thank goodness for that. So it went poosh up, poof down. Yeah, here we go. This is the thing here. The Thursday, yeah. This is Thursday's candle here. Let me just denote that for you. That there is Thursday's candle. That's the day we are talking about. But now remember, last week I said that we would like to take out that highs first there. Yeah. So what we had was like this was your point of interest there. So, and then it also came in on Friday. That was Friday, like this year was last Friday's candle there. I'm pointing it out to you now. That there was last Friday's candle. That there's last Friday's candle. This is this week's candle. So what I wanted was for prices first to take out last week's high before going down. So if we go down to the lower time frames here, and we have a look at what's going on. This is my 15-minute. This here is the area that we are looking at. This is the important area on the top here. Now, there was no proper RSI divergent entry here. So imagine we're sitting here all week from Monday all the way waiting for prices first to go all the way up and then back down. And that doesn't happen. We had opportunities here on, this is like on Wednesday, prices does come down the right direction. We wanted to go down, but we didn't get that entry. The entry only comes in the next day, and then we don't get our setup. We're waiting for an RSI divergence and we don't get that set up. So there was no trade for me on the euro versus the dollar. It went down like 80 odd pips there, but nothing. I can take you to the next chart here. Let's go to the pound. So the pound exactly the same. Let's go to the daily. So again, the same things that we're constantly looking for here is this is the Thursday candle. We're looking for Thursday's candle or any candle of the week to take out the previous week's high before we go looking for shorts. So prices comes up all the way in here. Let me go back down to our trigger chart here. Again, prices goes all the way up. Let me just show you here. This is how difficult it is. On Monday and Tuesday, prices are going up closer to the level of interest. Remember, we've drawn in this level of interest because we have a daily importance in this area. We know there's a lot of sellers there because of what we see on the daily. Prices goes up, and then you would be tempted maybe to try and take a trade here. And you could have done so, and you could have got a few points there. Let's see here, from that point all the way down to there, it's about 56 odd points. So I mean, fair play. That is an opportunity that we could have taken. But again, if you're looking for the RSI divergence entry, you're not going to get it there. There's a whole lot of other entries there. A lot of traders in the members area takes trades like this here. We have stops above here, breakout traders, retracement traders, and then all the way down. So, I mean, that's all good and well, but I'm trying to show you the beginner strategy. So, forgetting everything else here, forgetting all the various fancy ways of getting into the trade, what I want is prices coming up into the area of importance here, looking for a divergence setup, and then trying to go down. But here, in this case, again, we have a massive divergence here. We have a high. Just look at this. This is like a superb divergence. So we have this high going up there to there. Yeah, that's one. And we have another trade here, or not another trade. We have this divergence coming down there. Yeah. So this is fair play. You can get that. And then we have another one, the high, and then a massive high. And look at what happens with the RSI in this case, divergence. So this is an amazing trade in the area of importance here on the daily. So just to recoup here, on your daily chart, you're zooming in. This is today's candle. This here is Thursday. This is where all the action happened. The inflation numbers of the US, worse than any period ever in history or whatever. Back to 1982, they haven't seen inflation numbers this bad. So they don't want to be pumping money anymore into the economy. They want to be pumping and pumping, giving people money to spend, and then when they spend it, then they get punished. No, forget that. Look, so here, this is Thursday. Prices comes up into the level of importance here because of the previous weeks, previous days, and it comes in here. We've highlighted the area, comes up, it breaches the envelope, and then that is our trigger. On this candle here is our trigger. Let us denote this candle here. That there is our Thursday candle there. And then we're going down to our 15-minute chart here. And we are looking, this is the area here. There we go. We need to adjust that. That is the area. We have your divergence, and then boom, down. And this was a lot of pips here. And there was no excuse for not getting that. So if you didn't get that, then you need to keep on watching the beginner's course. The thing is free. I don't know what you guys are waiting on here. Let me show you your pure trading. Stay here. Don't leave. Just wait here. There's still some other good stuff here as well. Okay, now what we have is, while we're waiting for that page to load, let's go to another potential setup here. So this is the yen. Prices comes up. This thing is happening right now here. Look at this. This is a level of importance here. Prices goes up yesterday, breaches that, breaches the envelope, hits the level perfectly. And then what we have here is on our 15-minute. Let's see what we have on our 15-minute. Unfortunately, here we don't have any setup really, because prices goes all the way up and it comes back down with no proper divergence here. Why isn't this a divergence? Because prices are making highs and the RSI is doing the same thing. Let me show you. This is why it's not a divergence entry. So that's a high. Goes higher up, so we make prices are trending up. And what's the RSI? The RSI is giving us the same information there, you see. So there is no entry, there is no divergence. Look, there's a whole lot of secret stuff inside this little area here to make you want to go, but I'm not supposed to tell anybody. It's a secret. I hope Mark Chapman is gonna watch this video, because all the secrets is stuff that he knows a lot about. Okay, now the next one is the dollar, the Aussie dollar. Let's see if there was any setups here on the Aussie dollar for us here. On Sunday, I'm gonna try and do another video to see if there's any opportunities. Look at this here. This is the Thursday candle here. This is look at this breaching of the envelope here, right here. We've highlighted this in last week already. This is a point of interest. Prices comes in, hits that area, it comes smashing down there. So let's just delete that. And so this is the candle we are looking at. So let us just denote that again there with our little thing there. That's the candle that we are looking for, not that one there. Then on our 15 minutes, let's see if we get anything here. Now it would be sad to not get this as a divergence, and there is no divergence there. Prices are, you see that prices are making highs. Prices are making higher highs. So unfortunately, this is a lot of pips here, but we didn't get any entry on that one. So no entries on that one. But I think we saw a one coming in at the bottom there as well. Just look at this here. This is today's candle. Look at this. Prices breaches the envelope, and we can take this here. Let's move that down to there. So this is like a little bit of a weak sort of point of interest this year. So it's not a proper one, but let's see if we can show you a 15-minute entry on this one at least. So this one we can clearly show you a proper divergence at least. Prices comes down here into the area of importance. Now this is of utmost importance. Is when prices are coming down, it's making the lows there. That's the low, right? And it makes another low. So you need this to happen inside the point of interest which you found on the daily chart. So you can't be looking at this on the 4 hourly or on any other lower time frame. Yeah, you can only do this on the daily chart, and then your combination chart there, your trigger chart, is your 15-minute. So you have your lows, lower lows at the point of interest that you found on the daily, and then again here prices are going up. Yeah, it's a divergence there. It's not that perfect, man, but it's there. It's there. Yeah, let me see. It's definitely there. Yeah, you can see it better like this now. So I've moved it up a bit. So it's definitely a divergence there. Yeah, not the perfect divergence, but it's definitely there. Yeah, so you can take entries in this area. You can take quicker entries by using Fibonacci and all of that, and then some other secret little tricks and all that jazz, but you don't need it, because all you need is a strategy. So do your best to stick to this strategy and then make money with the strategy, and then you come and talk to me later. Yeah, first make some money with this. Stop spending money on any courses and stuff there. Yeah, you don't need the technical stuff. The technical stuff is all there. It's all in the head, guys. All in the mind. Okay, let's see what's going on. The next one here is the New Zealand dollar. Yeah, let's go to the daily. This is I'm only doing the majors here. I'm not trading anything else. It's the same stuff here, but in this one again, you can't really find that point of interest. Prices are coming down. So look, this is a point of interest here, the top. Yeah, it's an important area. That's number one. The next point of interest is going to be somewhere around there. Yeah, you can see that. Then look at this, prices. You can't be messing around with these and these here, because there's nothing going on there. Do you see that, guys? There's nothing happening at this area there, but there is an area that's an extreme. Something happened there. Boom, something happened up here. Yeah, prices comes all the way down through all of this. Yeah, comes up, retests it, and as it's retesting, there is an extension beyond the mean there. So this here is my candle again. Yeah, I like this one. I'll show you something. So on the 15-minute here, what do we see? We see again like double tops, prices making higher highs. Look, you can try and argue the point that this is not a divergence, or what is a divergence. I like it when it's just crystal clear, when you can just physically see it and it's there, and I don't mind missing all of this other nonsense here. This is a lot of pips here missed because we didn't get a proper divergence there. But the issue is that you need to bear with it. You need to stick with it. Yeah, just don't mind not getting that trade because you don't see a clear divergence. That's where the whole mind concept thing is in control of everything, really. All this technical stuff is just to help you. You don't need RSI, really. You don't need anything. All you need is the chart with just the price action on there. But the issue is that we need the help. Any help that we can get, we take it. The RSI helps a lot with filtering out some entries. Yeah. So it filtered out a good entry here now. So you guys might say, no, the strategy is bad. It's a shit strategy. No, it's not. It's a very good strategy. Test it for yourself and then use Notion. Let me just show you how I use it here quickly. Notion. And while that is coming up, let me show you this. Do the free course here on the beginner's course for market makers, and then you will learn this strategy. And then not only that, if you do that, then you can send me assignments and stuff, and then I will look at it and see if you're on the right page. I want you to get the same results as what I'm getting here. So and look at the bottom here. This is another thing. Here you get an it's basically almost an RSI divergence with that and that, but you don't. It doesn't happen at a point of interest. Let me show you on the daily. Yeah, prices does not come down and breach the envelope. Neither does it happen at that level, which is the point of interest. So this is today. Prices doesn't come all the way down here. So there's no need for going to the 15-minute chart and taking that entry, because it's not there yet. You need three things here. You need the point of interest, you need the breach on the envelope, and you need the setup on the lower time frame. The CAD on the daily. What do we have on the CAD here? This is beautiful stuff here. Here you have a level there. So we want, this is nothing. Look, prices, I'm zooming in here. Nothing happening here. This is Friday, that's Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, that's Friday. Nothing happens. You see there? It doesn't, it breaches the envelope, but then on Monday you needed to take that. Yeah. So, and what we would have liked to see was this candle, instead of just dropping down, we would have liked to see prices first going up, taking out that high, and then coming down. So that doesn't happen on that one. And then that is it for the majors for me. I also trade Renko stuff on the indices, but we're not going to bother with that at all, because I want you to focus on this year. Do the beginner's course for market makers. This thing is free. It's like absolutely risk free. Do that, and then put your results on here. Do this. How many times does your trade hit 1:1? How many times does it hit 1:2? Or how many losses are you getting, so that you can see. Yeah, I'm busy testing a strategy here. I'm busy with 67 trades. I don't even bother showing you the strategies and stuff if it doesn't at least get 60% win rate. So I'm getting 61% win rate here on a different strategy. I'm just showing you how to try and measure your performance on a particular strategy. So any value here, guys, thumbs up, comment, and all of that, and I'll see you in the next one. And the most important thing is, don't forget to trade safely and prosper.